A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Say you can go straight to the Father and ask him for anything because you follow Jesus. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And in case you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what are go on right here. So today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 16 from verse 16 to verse 33. Little bit from now, uno now go see me no more. Then, little bit after that, uno going see me. When Jesus done say that, some of them follower them say to them one another, say, what he mean when him say, little bit from now, uno now go see me no more. Then, little bit after that, uno going see me. And what he mean when him say, "Ka me a go my Father." Them keep on a ask, away mean when him say little bit from now. We no get what him say. Jesus sister them did want ask him about it. So he said to them, say, and when me this say, uno a ask on one another about, little bit from now, uno na go see me no more. Then little bit after that, uno going see me. Now tell you of it true. Say, uno going alarm ball. But the people them in the world are go well happy. Uno are go sad. But that are go change. And uno are go well glad. When one woman have picnic, she in a whole heap of pain. Cause the time for she have picnic come. But when she have her picnic, she don't remember the pain again. Say how she glad say somebody born come in the world. I said we so it a go with uno. Uno in a pain now, but we're going to see uno again. And uno a go glad in our heart. And nobody can go make uno not happy again. That time there, uno now go ask me nothing again. Me I tell you for true. Say my Father when give you anything uno ask for, cause I'm a follower. I know uno not ask for nothing, cause uno am a follower. Ask and uno will get where uno ask for, so that uno can really happy. Me I use picture language. Tell uno the insignia. Time a come when me now go talk that way again. Me I go talk to uno plain and straight about my Father. That day there, uno go ask for things cause uno am a follower. Me now say me go ask my Father for nothing for uno. No, cause my Father love uno. Cause uno love me and uno believe say a God me come from. Me left from which part my Father there and come in the world. Right now, me I left the world to go back on my Father. Then him follower them say to him, say, see and now you talk plain and straight and not talk in a picture language. And now we know say you know everything and you don't need nobody to ask you nothing. Second that, we believe say God send you come in the world. Wanna believe me now? Jesus said to them, wanna look, the time will come and it there already when all I wanna go scatter and go on the yard. Uno go left me one. But me no dey on my own. Because my father there with me. I tell you then sit here so that uno can have peace in our heart. Because me and uno are one. In other world, I'm going to have trouble and sufferation. But no fret. I'm done with the fight with the world. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.